Hello student, this is Nagendra Kumar, your computer teacher. I hope you all are fine and happy with your family. In last videos, I had discussed about the two ways to input the data in program. For next ways to input data in program, we must have to import package in our program. So today I am going to discuss the topic package in Java. So a Java package is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces and subpackages. We understand this. In Java, programmers can create several classes and interfaces. After creating these classes and interfaces, the similar types of classes and interfaces, the classes and interfaces, these tasks are similar. They put these classes and interfaces into the same directory or folder, which is known as package. So we can say that package acts as a container for classes. A package represents a directory that contains related groups of classes and interface. Types of package. There are basically only two types of Java package. They are, the first one is system package or API packages, and second one is called user defined packages. Now system package or API package, as there are built-in methods in Java, so Java also provides inbuilt packages which contains lots of classes and interface. These classes inside the packages are already defined and we can use them by importing relevant package in our program. So these are called Java APIs. And the second, user defined package. The user of Java language can also create their own packages. They are created by the user. So they are called user defined package. We can learn more about the user defined packages in next class. Now Java provides us some commonly used built-in packages, and these packages consist of large number of classes which are the part of API. So some commonly used built-in packages are, the first one is java.lang. Java.lang package contains language support classes, that is class which define primitive data type, maths operation, like. This package is automatically imported because java.lang is a default package for the Java. It is imported automatically in your program. The second, java.io. Java.io input output package contain classes for supporting input output operation in Java. The third one is the Java UTI. The Java utility package contains utility class which implements data structure in Java. The fourth one is the Java applet. Java applet contains classes for creating applets in Java. Fifth one is Java AWT. Java AWT package contains classes for implementing the components for graphical user interface like button, menus, drop down buttons, etc. And sixth one is Java.NET. Java.NET packages contain in classes for supporting networking operation. So these are the inbuilt packages provided by the Java for us. we can import these packages in our program. Now importing packages and their classes. Import keyword is used to import built-in and user-defined packages into our Java source file, so that our class can refer to a class that is in another package. It means to use the classes and interfaces defined in one package from within another package, we need to import the package in our program using import command. The syntax for the import command is import, then package dot Java class, then semicolon. And another way, import package dot star semicolon. For example, import java.util.scanner. This import a specific class scanner into the current file. The second example, import java.util.star. This statement import all the classes of utility package in our current file. In this way, we import different packages in our program. Here the Java utility.scanner class, I am giving the example. This class is used to input data in our Java program. Now, advantages of using packages. The classes contained in the packages of other programs. The classes contained in the package of other program can be reused. The second advantage is the Java package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that they can be easily maintained. We can categorize the different interfaces and classes within the folder and directories. The similar type of packages, classes. Next one is a Java package provide access protection. It also hides the classes from the outer user. And the last one, Java package removes naming collision. Within the package, different package, we can use the same class. So it removes the naming collision using the packages. These are the advantages of your package. So student, that's all about the Java package. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.